Hello guys, how you doing today? Hope you're having an awesome day. I really want to appreciate you so much for always coming to my channel to watch my video. And I want to welcome you to HairArtistry Styles, your go-to channel for the latest braids, hairstyle, the benefits and expert tips to keep your hair and your braids looking flawless and stylish. Whether you're looking to elevate your style with trending new braids or want to explore the endless possibilities of protective styles, our channel has you covered. Join us on this journey of creativity and self-expression and fall in love with the art of braiding all over again. In today's video, I'll be talking about top gorgeous zigzag Fulani braids hairstyle for every woman. As we dive in, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. And if you're new here, I really appreciate you so too. And also please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more upcoming videos. Zigzag Fulani braids are a trending and stunning hairstyle that combines traditional African braiding with a modern twist. Unlike the classic Fulani braids, which follow straight lines, the zigzag pattern adds a bold and dynamic design, making this style perfect for women who want to stand out. These braids can be customized with various thicknesses, lengths, and accessories such as beads or cowrie shells, allowing for a personalized and creative look. One of the best aspects of zigzag Fulani braids is their versatility. They can be styled in multiple ways, from a beaded look for special occasions to a half-up, half-down style for casual events. Other popular variations include the high bun for a sleek appearance, side swept braids for a softer look, and a combination of zigzag braids with cornrows for a more intricate style. In addition to being visually striking, zigzag Fulani braids are low maintenance and long-lasting. They protect natural hair, promote healthy growth, and require minimal upkeep. With proper care such as moisturizing the scalp and protecting the braids at night, these braids can last for weeks while maintaining their beauty. Overall, zigzag Fulani braids are a beautiful, versatile and practical hairstyle for women in 2024. Whether for formal events or casual outings, this style offers endless options for creativity and self-expression while preserving cultural heritage. And finally, I want you to take your time to watch the video, choose and embrace the amazing styles of zigzag Fulani braids that you love, that you like and that you will love to use for your occasions. And please also don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more upcoming videos, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.